Hey, it's Belube. Hey, it's Belube. It's Belube. Hey, it's Belube.
Hey, Smalls, is that you?
So, hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing this little, not tutorial, but like I'm gonna just show how I did this hairstyle. Cause, yeah. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I achieved this little honey blonde short passion twist hairstyle. And yeah, if y'all wanna know how I did it, just keep watching and y'all will know. Yeah. So here I am showing the hair I used. I used Freetress Water Wave Bohemian Braid in 20 inches in the color 30. So now, to make sure the rubber bands do not rip out my hair when I put them in, I oiled them with Argan and Morocco oil and Castor oil. Now I'm gonna start parting my hair. I used Eco Styler gel and this Rattail comb to part this side. I used the rubber band method, as you can tell, because I cannot do it without the rubber bands, so yeah. And now I'm gonna start parting this side. To moisturize my hair, I used Cantu. Please do not come for me because I know you're not supposed to use Cantu, but I didn't have nothing else with me, so I used Cantu. And I used Argan oil and Morocco. Yeah.
Take the condom off. Fuck out of here.
I am so sorry for the brightness. It keeps going in and out, but I was using my old phone to film this, so just ignore the brightness. Yeah.
Fuck out of here.
And another thing, I know somebody will just come for me about how my parts aren't clean. Just mind your business. Yeah, mind your business, because as much as I tried to get them parts clean, it was not working. So yeah, I tried. Keep the comments to yourself. Purr. Alright, so I just finished parting both sides, and now I'm ready to get into the little twisting. Stop playing. Let's go. Alright, here I was just showing y'all how I cut each braid in half, and I used like 2 or 3 strands for each twist. Yeah. So the strands, when I cut them, they were about the length of my actual hair. So when my actual hair ended, I tied it off and left the little curly part at the end out. Yeah.
It's Lucy 4. It's Lucy 4.
Alright, so right here I have finished the left side, so that whole side was finished, and that's what the back looked like. And now I have to finish the right side. And here's me opening up the second pack. Okay, so here's how it looks. I finished twisting it and stuff. This is how it looks down. I didn't really like it down. I didn't do the hairstyle to wear it down. I did the twist to wear this hairstyle mostly. This is probably the only hairstyle I wear, because I feel like it's the only hairstyle that looks right, you know? So yeah, this hairstyle I'm gonna wear, and yeah. Alright, so that's the end of the video. To sum up everything, it's been like 2 days after I did that hairstyle. I'll put the products I use in the description, but I explained what I use, but I'll put it in the description still. And I have like 30 in total. I have 30 twists in my hair, and I used only two and like a quarter of 3 of my packs. I thought I would need a lot more, but like I only needed, I did the parts really, like not really big, but like bigger than it should have been. But I like the way it turned out. Yeah, so that's how it turned out. And yeah, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all hit that little subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that comment button to tell me what to do next. Period. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah. You should hit that button. Yeah. I think you should hit it, for real. Did you hit it? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hit that
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if it's not a